Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Delaney. I'm the author of the 73 Rules for Influencing the Interview. Today I'm going to teach you how to answer that interview question. What kind of person would you refuse to work with? Now this interview question isn't that common, so when you're asked it, people are often thrown off balance. And when you're thrown off balance in an interview, you start getting stressed and anxious. You sometimes just blurt out the first thing that comes into your head. The first thing that comes into your head when asked this interview question is often some negative thoughts, and you don't really want that to be the theme of this answer. What you need to do, and I like to do this in 3 steps, is first, step one, start by explaining that you're the type of person who gets on well with the whole team, that you're friendly and approachable. And step two, because this is an off the cuff question, and interviewers know it's going to throw you, what you can do is stop and think about it for a couple of seconds and go, And then step three, you carry on by saying, and you make this relevant to your work ethic. So you carry on by saying something along the lines of that you wouldn't like to work with someone who was lazy or violent or someone who didn't get on with the work. So what you're doing here is instead of talking about a particular person, which actually puts you in a bad light, you're going to say, A, I get on with everyone, have a bit of time to think about it, and then state how you don't really like to work with people who don't put the effort in, or people who are late all the time, or people who are lazy. Make it relevant to your work ethic, because by saying you don't like lazy or late people gives the opposite light on you, that you're reliable and you're hardworking. You get any questions about this interview question, then please contact us at employmentking.co.uk, or you can leave comments at the bottom of this video. Thank you. Bye for now.